We are charging the batteries with the Victron system. This is the smart shunt. You see we took out almost 172 before I started filming, so it's 168 now, and we were charging at 1700, and now it's a 16 something, 1685. We were bringing earlier at 57, almost to very close to 60 amps. The battery voltage, we are down to 24.6 something. So this is what it is. Like and share. There we go. We have a peak up to 1700, 1725 wattage. Sorry, coming in. Look at that, 57.2, 7.5 something. We're killing it. Yep. It's way cooler outside, and we're just cranking the power. We drain the battery down to 40, 30, 39, 38, 39, and these batteries are the Volkswagen e-Golf batteries. This is the NMC lithium ion, and if you want to know more about these batteries, go back and check into my videos. You can see the Twin Towers Volkswagen e-Golf Twin Towers by JW Solar USA on Instagram, and you can see that. You'll see that on, I think it's on Facebook, or you can go back to my playlist, and on YouTube, Volkswagen e-Golf by JW Solar USA, or Twin Towers Volkswagen e-Golf. So just, you find, look at that, nice power, nice, beautiful. Like and subscribe. Happy Easter to you guys all. I took a little break here. I had a vacation with my family, and I didn't bring you guys along, but it was awesome. And just got off. Everybody already left, so, and family members coming from California, and other ones coming from Ohio, and a full house. We're just enjoying ourselves. All right, I just want to share with you guys. And Easter, the last person just left, and we are here now, all by ourselves, me and the general. There you go. Take care, man. Love you guys all. Happy Easter. Like and subscribe. Share this video for more to come. Stay tuned. There's more battery work coming up, since I'm already free. And you see what I'm going to be doing to my LEV 60F batteries from Japan. Has 74 amp hours. You see a whole bunch of customization, and I've done, and I'm gonna bring it to the channel. So let me leave it that way. You find a video, just watch it. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end, and subscribe and share the video, please, and give it a like. Okay, more to come here. Best way how to manage these batteries and put them where you want them, and with the proper balancers. If you want to incorporate BMS into it, stay tuned. You'll see everything. Bye for now.